As a business owner, social media can be just another thing on your long to-do list that only gets done half of the time. Taking time to create quality social content and leverage powerful tools at your disposal can help you get on top of your social media marketing and in turn help you grow your business and strengthen your brand. Today, we'll share 2 tools you can leverage to help you optimize your social media marketing. Hey, I'm Danny Rubio, team member at All About Guard Monitoring. We provide professional monitoring solutions that save lives, protect property, and inspire peace of mind. If you're interested on how you can become a better dealer for security, fire, IoT, or PERS business, then consider subscribing. When you're considering buying a new product or service, but aren't sure which direction to go, you usually turn to friends and family for recommendations, or online reviews to get a personal insight. According to a Harris poll, 67% of Americans say they're more likely to purchase a product after a friend or family member shared it via social media. And with 4.5 billion people using social media worldwide, it's likely that your clients are already interacting through social media platforms, making it increasingly vital for a company's success. So here are some important statistics to keep in mind about social media. 83% of marketers believe post quality is more important than quantity. Only 19.1% of B2C marketers use podcasts or other audio content in their marketing. Of those who do use it, 37.4% find it to be one of their most effective trends. 46% of social media traffic to company websites comes from LinkedIn. YouTube is the second largest search engine behind Google. For an alarm business owner, these stats are intriguing, but they only become beneficial if you use social media correctly to market your business. As mentioned, quality content is far more important than quantity of content. So what does this mean for you? Help your readers and followers come to you for information. As you provide quality information, you build trust with your audience. Leverage the fact that YouTube is the second largest search engine to your advantage. For a security business, perhaps creating a series of informational tutorial videos on how to install your cameras or systems could be beneficial. This will help customers who are researching alarm companies via YouTube feel confident that your company has quality service, something we discussed in our previous video. Which brings us to the social media tools to help you with your marketing. Piggybacking on the statistic that 37.4% of B2C marketers find using podcasts or other audio content in their marketing most effective, we wanted to share with you a powerful and free tool by Anchor.fm, an all-in-one podcasting service owned by Spotify. Anchor provides you with an easy way to get up and running with your podcast by leveraging the tool you already have, your phone. By downloading the app, you can use your phone to record your podcast. They have free-to-use background music tracks as well as audio transitions to help create a format to your show. You can also record a podcast via their web app on your computer. Once you're done, they take care of the hosting and distribution for you. For more information, be sure to check out their blog. Next is Facebook's Creator Studio. This tool is a special application created by Facebook to help you manage your Facebook pages and Instagram accounts from one location. The tool allows you to create content and then schedule it for the future easily. It also allows you to engage with individuals who message you and comment on posts from one location instead of jumping back and forth between platforms. The Creator Studio also provides a powerful analytics hub to help you stay informed on how your content is performing to help you create better content in the future. For more about creating on Facebook, check out their Creator blog. Brands in the modern world of technology need an online presence, and social media plays a big part in that. Responsive service and quality products are undoubtedly important, but connecting with the right audience is key to building a successful business. Your brand should connect to your customers and invite interaction. Share with us the tools that you use to help your social media strategy work in the comments below. For more tips, be sure to check out our article on our website. Until next time.